right, welcome back. Right under this video, I'll do it to explain how you can add categories as menu in the front end. This is called menu, the menu bar where we have navigations on how you can navigate through the website. So we have everything. We have women dress and we have summer wears here. What if I want to add more to it based on the categories of products that I have in the store? So this is what we are going to do. We have these categories: new arrivals, clearance, summer wears, and women dress. Let me check if we have clearance. Okay, we don't have clearance here. Perfect. So we have. I'm just going to do justice by adding two because of the time. So we have new arrivals and we have clearance. So these are the two other ones that I'm going to add. And please, the concept of categories is very, very important. You must be able to understand the concept of category before you even go ahead to do anything. So, to understand the concept of category, I would like you to revert back to one of the videos I made to explain that, because every product that you add in your store belong to one category or the other. So, if for instance, this is a fashion store, we have under summer wears we have 9 products that belongs to the summer wears category, and under women dress we have 21 products. So when you create a product, you must be able to add a category to it. So once you add a category to the product, you are going to it will get populated right here. So now question is, how do you now add these categories to the menu? And one of those things to do is to come to appearance, click on menu. Once you click on menu, we'll see how it works. All right. So here we are. Now we have this menu: women jeans, top and t-shirts, and so on and so forth. And we have different menus. All right. We have for her, for him, main menu, quick links, secondary menu. Now I figured that because menus are relative, yeah, you might use one menu for the header and use a different menu for here. So exactly, for her here is a different set of menu. For him is a different set of menu. So you must understand the concept of menus. So the one that we need to use is the one for the header, and I guess it should be the main menu. So if I click on the main menu and click on select, I will be able to see the ones that are relative to that. Yeah, perfect. So we have this. We have everything. We have women dress and we have summer wears. But then I want to add more to it. I want to add clearance and I want to add new arrivals to the list. So what do I do? One thing to do is to, because if you check here, there are no clearances. There are no anything, because these ones are pages. And if you come to post, you can't see any. If you come to categories, we don't see anything here because they just didn't make it like that. Well, another place you can actually see it is if you go to customize. Well, I think I'll have to do that one as well. Anyways, let's go to customize first, and I'll come back here. But sorry, let me just explain this part. One of these things that you can do is just to use the custom links. So if you want to use the custom link, that means you must have opened your shop or your store to be able to see um, the product that you have in store. And if you activate the filtering method or the filtering system in your store, you should be able to see the filters based on the categories, bestsellers, and different ones. So clearance is this. If I click on clearance, you notice that the URL changes automatically. So all I have to do is just to copy the URL, Control C, come back to the menu, and just paste it right here and say clearance. All right, just add it as clearance, add to the menu. So automatically it has been added to the menu. All I have to do is just to save it. Once it has been saved, I will be able to see it right under the whole thing. So we have everything: women dress, summer wears. If I click on reload, I will be able to see the next one. All right, it's loading. Um, okay, yes, perfect. So we have everything: women dress, summer wears, and what next? We have clearance. So I can click on clearance, and definitely it will take me to the clearance page, which is exactly what I have right here. So this is how to add more categories to the menu. And another way is to use come to the customize here. This one sometimes it can be easy and it can be complicated based on the number of products the number of categories that you have in your store. So right under this customize, you go to the header. Okay, it's loading. It's loading. It's loading through. Oh, why is it taking so long? All right, so we have. I think it's still loading. Still adding more to it. Yeah. Oh, perfect. So we have the header builder, we have footer builder. So the ones that we are okay. I think yeah, we have the menu. Yeah, let me use the menu. I think menu is the perfect one for it. So as you could see, clearance has been added. So I will add the last one here. So the one we have to select is the menu, and now we are using the main menu. So under this main menu we have everything: women dress, summer wears, and clearance. If I click on add items, I'll be able to see the list of items I'm going to add. But initially we use custom links for the other one, so you can add custom links here as well. But I don't want to add custom links. Instead, I want to add categories. And right here I have another options that says product category. So if I click on this one, I should be able to see the product categories. So women dress, summer wears, clearance, and what? New arrivals. So if I click on new arrivals, it will be added as the category, and all I need to do is just to click on publish. By clicking on publish, I believe we have it already. So let me just refresh this page and see if it is there. So I've been able to successfully, yeah, perfect. New arrivals is here. And if I click on new arrivals, I will be able to see products that are under the new arrivals. So yeah, this is how it works. And I believe I've been able to explain to you in two different methods how you can add categories as menu. And if you want to add them as drop downs, it's actually very simple. If you need to do drop downs, that means you make a particular product a main category. We have and other ones are subcategories. It's something you can do. All you need to just to drag the other ones, the other categories right under it, and that's exactly how it works. But in this case, I'm not going to do it like that, and just well, that's how it is. And I believe you have been able to understand. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know, and we'll sort it out together. Thank you. See you in the next one.